Lenme factory. This is shaft of half size of trucks. I think it's Ford, and this shaft get damage right here from bearings damage, and bearing was heated up and melt and weld on this shaft. I removed it by angle grinder and grinding, and then I weld it. Make a weld right here, here, and here. Actually, this is not the best way to repair this piece. The best way will sew to this piece will be earth and junk and set a new one. But this piece is so rare to I should repair it by all ways. And one more thing, this piece is not recommended to repair because it's danger. And then so I will use a Sandvik cutting tools for my actions. I set this piece in the way what is called set in between centers. This is piece of the road. You can see inside there is a cone like here, and for more I screw it here are bolts what is set on the jaw, and so in this way I can transfer chuck moves to this piece and not lose the power. So thanks for watching, good luck and have a nice day.